Friends, welcome to S&T Innovations. In this video I will show you how to install the lithium battery unit in my DJ speaker. In my last video I have shown you how to prepare a lithium ion battery unit 12 volt, but in this video I will show you how to install it in my DJ speaker and I will test it. So I will not waste your time. Let's start the project. So friend, first check, it will give voltage output of about 12 volt to 12.6 volt when fully charged. So please connect two number of power cable, mark it as positive and negative so that there must not be any confusion during installation. So now I will install this battery unit, lithium ion battery unit, in my DJ speaker, or you can say it as DJ box. So I have to install the unit and clamp it with the help of the clamp. So friend, the installation of the lithium ion battery unit is completed. So the previous battery was alkaline battery, which I have already stated you earlier, and was of 4.5 Ah, but the new one is of 6.4 mAh, 6.4 Ah, that is 6400 mAh. And let's see how it is performing. Let's see. So friend, you have seen it is performing fine without any issue. However, I have tested it and I have seen it is giving backup of 3.5 hours, that is more than means 1 hour more than the previous one. So friend, you all can replace the battery of party box or DJ speaker with lithium ion battery. So there is no issue, or only you have to change the charger, because the charger provided with this type of unit is of 15 volt, whereas the lithium ion battery will take a charge of 12.6 volt. You have to change the charger unit only. Thanks. I think all of you have liked this video, so please subscribe S&T Innovations and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you. Help me to increase my subscriber.